Good morning, students. Today we start with lesson number 15, polygons. Before I start with the exercise, let me explain you some of the concepts related to this chapter. Now, first of all, you should know about the closed figures. What are closed figures? Figures which begin and end at the same point, they are called closed figures. Like, I'll give you one example. Suppose I start drawing a figure from here. This is the starting point, and I end also at the same point. So this is a closed figure. So what is a closed figure? Which begin and end at the same point. Like, I start from here and I finish also over here. So this is a closed figure. One more example, like I start from here and I finish over here. So all these are closed figures because they begin and end at the same point. Now the opposite of it, this open figures. What are open figures? Which does not end at the starting point. Now if I give you example, suppose I draw a figure, I start from here and I end over here. So this is not a closed figure, but this is an open figure because where I started I didn't end over there. So the starting and the ending point are different. So this is a open figure. Now if I give you one more example, suppose I start from here. Now I end over here. So the starting and ending point are different. So these are open figures. So these are open figures. So open figures are figures which does not end at the starting point, while closed figures are the figures which begin and end at the same point. Now, one are simple closed figures. So, I told you about closed figures which begin and end at the same point. Now, what are simple closed figures? Now, simple closed figures are the closed figures which does not intersect itself. Now, I gave you the example, all these are closed figures. Now, in the first two figures, if you will see, the two lines do not intersect, means they do not cross each other. I started from here and ended over here. This is a closed figure, but nowhere the two lines intersect. Here also, nowhere the two lines intersect. So these two are simple closed figures. While this figure, if you will look at this, it's a closed figure because I started and ended at the same point. I started from here and I ended also over here. But at one point you can see that the two lines are intersecting. So they are crossing each other. So here the two lines are intersecting. So this is not a simple closed figure. This is not a simple closed figure, while these two are simple closed figures. So simple closed figures are the figures which do not intersect. So these two, if I give you one more example, like look at this figure. This I start from here and I end over here. So this is a closed figure. But if I draw a figure like this, I start from here and I end also over here. So this is a closed figure, but not a simple closed figure, because here you can see the two lines are intersecting each other. So the two lines are crossing each other. So while this is a closed figure, this is not a simple closed figure. Now I come to the exercise of lesson 15. In the first question, they are asking you which of the following are simple closed figures. Okay, as you can see, all these are closed figures, and out of that, these figures which are simple, I have to find out. So what are simple closed figures? Closed figures which do not intersect. In this you can see it's a closed figure and it does not intersect anywhere. The two lines do not cross each other anywhere. So this is a simple closed figure. Here also closed figure where the two lines do not intersect. So it's a simple closed figure. Now look at this. You can see the two lines are crossing each other, here also, here also, here and here also. So this is not a simple closed figure. This is a simple closed figure because nowhere the two lines intersect. This is not a simple closed figure. As you can see here, this two lines are crossing each other, they are intersecting. So this is not a simple closed figure, while this is a simple closed figure because nowhere the two lines cross each other. Now what are polygons? Now polygons, what is a polygon? A simple closed figure. So I told you what are simple closed figures, formed by more than two line segments. You know what are line segments? So the line segments are which have the starting point and the ending point, starting point and ending point. So these are line segments, straight lines. Okay, so a simple closed figure formed by more than two line segments, or you can say straight lines. Now if I break up this word polygons, poly means many and gun means angles. Now let me explain you with the help of figures. A simple closed figure formed by more than two line segments, so which have more than two line segments. So I'll start with a figure which has three line segments. So if there are three line segments, now this figure has three line segments. So what figure is this? This is a polygon which is called triangle. A polygon having three sides is called a triangle. Now if I come to now four-sided figure which has four straight sides. Now look at this is a figure which has four straight sides, so this is called as quadrilateral. So quadrilateral. Now here tri means three and quadri means four. Now after four line segments, a figure which has five line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five straight lines. A figure which has five straight lines or five line segments that are called that is called pentagon. Penta means five. Now a figure which has six line segments, that is called hexagon. Hexa means six. Hexagon. Now the same way we have figures which have seven sides. A seven-sided figure is called a septagon. Septa means seven. And then the figure which has eight sides, that is called octagon. You know what is an octopus? Octopus means which have eight arms. Okay, so octa means eight. Eight sided figure is called octagon, and the figure which has nine sides, that is called nonagon. Nonagon. And the figure which has 10 sides, that is called decagon. So decagon. Deca means 10. Nona means 9. Septa means 7. So these are so what are polygons? Polygons are simple closed figures formed by more than two line segments. In the second question, they have given you some figures and they are asking you which are polygons. So as you can see in the first this A part, this is a figure which has four line segments. So is this a polygon? Yes, this is a polygon and it has four sides. So this is a quadrilateral. Now in the second one, B part, you can see this figure has three line segments or three straight lines. So this also is a polygon and this is called a triangle because it has three sides. Now this also is a polygon only because it has how many straight sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this also is a polygon only because it has 12 straight sides and you can name it as 12 gun. Okay, so you can name it as 12 gun. And is this a polygon? I said polygon is a closed figure, simple closed figure made of straight lines. It is made of straight lines. But are these lines straight? Here you can see there are curves. There are curves given over here. So these are not straight lines. So this is not a polygon because it is made up of curves. So this is not a polygon, while all the three other are polygons.